Today I'm making a cheddar bacon pumpkin shaped cheese ball. First I'm going to do some prep work. I'm going to cook some bacon. I lined a cookie sheet with tin foil. I'm going to add the bacon to the cookie sheet and then bake this at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Once the bacon was cooled and I drained off the excess grease, I'm going to chop it into small pieces. Next in my bowl I have 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of chopped bacon that I cooked earlier. Then 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Next I'm going to mix that up until it's all combined. Next I lined my counter with plastic wrap. I'm going to add the cream cheese mixture to the plastic wrap. Next I have some cheese doodles that I crushed up into a blender. I'm going to coat the cheese bowl with the cheese doodle mixture and shape the cheese ball. Next I'm going to wrap the cheese ball in the plastic wrap. Next I'm going to tie 4 pieces of kitchen twine to make that pumpkin shape. After that I'm going to put this in the fridge for a few hours to set up. After the cheese ball set up for a few hours, I took it out of the plastic wrap and then I added a bell pepper stem to make the stem of the pumpkin, and then I served it with some pretzels and crackers.